Let's create a simple state manager using proxies in JS. First, let's create a basic HTML template. I'm going to fast forward it so that I don't bore you with writing the template. So here we have it, and the important thing is this index.js file which we'll be creating now. This will be our trivial state manager. Let's start with that. So let me create an object called state with count 0, and then let me create a state proxy. That is a proxy for the object, with the setters and getters. We will look into this proxy in a while. For now, let's move on. Next, let's define the mutations. As we can see, we have two methods, increment and decrement, which will mutate the count to the proxy. Let's get a few DOM elements in our script that will help to display the count and also increment and decrement it. Let's also define the render method, where we are just setting the text content of the element with the ID count. Now let's initialize the UI by attaching the event listeners for buttons and also invoking the render method. And finally, we call the initUI method when the document is loaded. When we put it all together, this is what we get. The UI re-renders as the state changes. Let's look a bit into the proxy definition. So, this is the logic that prevents the count from going below 0, and then we are also invoking the render method when the count is being set. This is how we are achieving the reactivity here. And thus, we have a simple state manager.